everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made these gorgeous shaker bows. Woohoo! So this one is black with silver in the middle, and this one is a pink one with blingy rhinestones in the middle. But today we're going to make a blue one. So let's get started. So for this project you're going to need some acetate. If you don't have any acetate, or you have like these card protector things, or even you can use a ring binder, you know them transparent ring bindery things, the page pocket protectors, you can even use that. You're going to need some sequins for your shaker. You're going to need a hair clip. This is a crocodile clip. You're going to need some embellishments. Well, this is optional actually, but I'm going to do this because I've got loads of buttons. So we're going to use this. You're going to need something to go in the middle of the bow, like to go over here. And I'm going to add a little rainbow. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, you want to get your acetate. This is an A4 sheet of acetate. And you want to fold it in half. It's hard to see because it's acetate on the camera. But you want to fold it in half. Score it. Press it down as much as you can. And then it is turned into A5 size and perfect for a bow. The next thing you want to do is use a sewing machine and sew all around the edges. Don't forget to backstitch. But we're not going to let this waste. We're still going to make a bow out of it. Waste not, want not. Let's make the most of this in this time. Let's get another piece of acetate. So, fold it in half. As you can see, my girlies are wearing the veili. This one is Never Give Up. This one is one we all made together.
No, Leah didn't make it. Me and you did make it.
Yes, this child has been wearing it. She won't take it off. It's a little robot that we got from the Cricket Design Space, and we craft punched some little shapes out. And we glued them on together.
With the press, yeah.
With the heat press, yes. Alright, so we're going to do this again in half.
Are you going to sew that?
Yes, I'm going to sew it. I'm going to make Leah a bow.
Is this mine?
You can use it. That one went a little bit
wrong.
Yeah, but we're still going to use it, and I'm sure every mistake. One thing you got to learn, guys, is there's never such thing as a mistake. Everything is all about learning, growing,
and trying again.
Yes, and one thing I've learned is every single time I've made some form of mistake, it's always been for a reason, and I've always created something even more beautiful than before. So let's quickly sew this one up. Don't forget to backstitch.
Yep. Don't remember to backstitch. If you don't backstitch, it won't be really nice. Good nice.
No, it's not that. It's got nothing to do with being nice. If you don't backstitch, the stitch is more likely to become loose. You want to stop here. Make sure you do not take the needle out of the acetate. Make sure you keep it there. Where's my spoon? Then you want to pop the stuff. Then you want to, I use a spoon, I find it a lot easier. So just grab a spoon, a tablespoon, take out the sequins.
Is that going to be my bow?
Yep. And then pop them in with the spoon. You can take it off the sewing machine if you find it easier, but I just prefer to leave it on there. And just pop loads of sequins in there. You don't have to just use sequins, you can cut things out, you can use buttons, you can use anything you can use. And another thing you can cut little shapes out with a pair of scissors and pop it in there. As long as you don't make the shapes too big. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put our buttons. So we've got loads of buttons. And these little teddy bear things. These little glass teddy bears, I'm going to pop them all in. I've got these little bows as well. And the good thing about this bow is that the more you move it around, you discover new things inside there. So if you're making it for somebody, as they move the bow around, they discover new things inside there, which makes it even nicer. So I'm just going to do this. And then we'll be back in a second. So we've put all of them inside, and then we're just going to do the final stitch. One thing I have to say, guys, is when you're sewing, Be careful you don't get any sequins in your sewing machine, because we do not want that. Be careful. And don't forget to backstitch. And if you're using small sequins or anything that's really small, make sure you use a small stitch, because otherwise they'll come out through the stitches. Then you want to just cut off the excess threads. Pop the sewing machine to the side. And then there we have it.
I thought you were going to put that one on.
We have a shaker.
Oh, that looks nice.
Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to fold it in half. Try to get your things as even as you can. Fold your bow in half as best you can. It's not going to be very easy because of all the little sequins. And then what I try to do is shake it as much as I can to try to get the sequins down. If they don't go down, open it up again and then shake it again, because they get stuck there. So if they don't go, open it again quickly and shake it as much as you can. You're not going to be able to get it perfect most of the time, I've discovered. But if you don't get it perfect, it doesn't really matter. Sometimes you could be here bagging it for ages, but that's the best we can get it. So then what you want to do is you want to score it as best you can, as I've shown you for my other bows. If you have a scoring tool or a bone folder or anything scoring, just use that. That might help the sequins to come out even more. So there you have it. Then the next thing you want to do is accordion fold. Turn on the glue gun. You need the glue gun.
And then have a slightly amount of glue.
No, we've got loads of glue.
No, I mean, there's
Then do your accordion fold. So an accordion fold, let me get a bit of paper to show you, just in case you don't know what accordion fold is. But grab a piece of paper for me, girlies, just so we can show people how to do an accordion fold. Just get a piece of paper, because if I do it with acetate, you might not be able to see it too well. So I'm just going to get a piece of card. Yeah, we're going to do it with that one in a minute.
This paper and bag.
So this is what an accordion fold is. So you get one end and you fold it backwards. Then you turn it over and you fold it again on the other side. This isn't the neatest, but I just want to show you how it looks. Then you turn it over again, fold it down, turn it over again, fold it down.
Keep on going.
And keep on going until you've finished. So this is an envelope my daughter's just given me. So now we have an accordion folded envelope, which is now going to end up being a paper bow. Waste not, want not, but you just got to keep going, keep going, keep going.
Until the end.
And that is an accordion fold opened.
Done.
And then that is it open. So now we have a bow. But yes, let's do this on here. Accordion fold on here. But you've got to be careful when you're turning it over because of all the sequins. Don't want to go in the middle again. So just be careful. Take your time. We've got the glue gun on already, getting ready to glue.
Really hot. Yeah, really hot. Really.
Some of my sequins have gone back into the middle again, but it's no problem, just got to shake them out again. So keep accordion folding. Might be even easier to just hold it.
Clip.
Hold it up. One more fold and we're done. So there's your bow. Okay, we've got to wait until the glue gun has heated up and then we'll show you the next step. Okay, so, and we're back. I hope you like my top. I made it with my brand, Veali, and it's a lion S or lion head. Anyway, back to the bow video. So here we have our bow. It flipped out on me and opened, so I quickly tried to do it again. But it hasn't gone straight, so let's try to fix it up again. And you can move the sequins further down, but I'm going to have it where some of them are higher and some of them are lower. Then you're going to get your, what you're going to use for the middle bit. What I normally do is pop a bit of glue in the middle. If you can see that, put a bit of glue in the middle. And then I get my, whatever I'm going to do the bow around, pop it inside. one of the creases. Be careful with hot glue, guys. It is very, very hot. Then you want to go all the way around. Get your clip. Measure it up a bit more to make sure it's all okay. Then you want to get your scissors. Don't use your good scissors for this, people, because this is actually metal. And then you want to pop a bit more glue on the edge. See if you can see that. Focus, camera, focus. And then go around. Hold it down. Make sure it's not going to burn your hands. This one's burning a little bit. I have an adjustable glue gun, so I can change the heat on it, but sometimes things need a lot of heat for them to work. So there you have your bow. But me, I'm going to stick an extra embellishment on there. This was another thing I had in my Cabotrons drawer. So I'm going to stick this little rainbow on there. Put a bit of glue. You don't have to do this bit is optional. I'm going to stick a little rainbow on this bow. Now look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. And for the one that went wrong, oh yeah, it was not a mistake, it was a learning curve. So I'm going to do this one up as well. So we have a blue shaker bow with a little rainbow. We have a transparent, that's not going to work, it needs to be sticky at the back. Here's the black one, and here's the pink one. This is absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe I'm making these. This is lovely. So I also decided to get some holographic sticker paper, and we're going to punch out some heart shapes. And there you have a bow. So in the end of this video, we have learnt that mistakes are never mistakes. They're just something that we needed to learn. This was the pocket protector. It didn't work so well, but you live and you learn, so I'm not going to bother with that one. But yes, they are absolutely gorgeous. So grab some acetate, get creating. You can use anything to stick on here. I think this looks amazing. Anyway, get creating, and I'll see you in the next video.